Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is well. I will tell today about the world famous brand Nokia. New phone Nokia Alpha Pro. To know all the details of this phone, you must watch the full video, and if you are new to my channel, you must subscribe to the channel. Let's go started. I will discuss today Nokia Alpha Pro 2020 price, specs, release date and full details. Nokia Alpha Pro 2020 amazing features. So one of the most famous mobile phone brand Nokia is planning a new upcoming smartphone with features with amazing triple 48 megapixel cameras, massive 7000 mAh battery, energy box and many more outstanding specs and features. Last time they comes with their others flagship smartphone of different smartphone series, including Nokia Edge Max Pro 2020, Nokia Oxygen 2020. They are coming back with another Nokia smartphones with features with many latest and impressive specs. Those name is Nokia Alpha Pro 2020. According to our various trusted sources, here we collect some rumor information of this Nokia flagship. So let's see in details of this Nokia smartphone. Rumor, specs, price, launch date, features and review. Scroll down, get more information. Nokia Alpha Pro 2020. Before knowing about the features and specs of this Nokia smartphone, we would like to tell about its release date. Until now, the Nokia has not declared any official word about release date of this Nokia handset. So we have to wait a little bit to meet with this amazing Nokia Alpha Pro 2020 smartphone. As far as we learn, the mobile phone can about in the market one model of this year. Are you excited to meet with this amazing Nokia smartphone? Let us know. Nokia Alpha Pro 2020 specs. This Nokia smartphone comes with all little appearance with eye-catching design. Especially it is massive 10GB RAM, 7000 mAh battery, power box and triple 48 megapixel camera setup is good enough for love this Nokia smartphone. In terms of design, it is a tall 21:9 aspect ratio and comes with some gorgeous color combination sorts as blue, shadow, black and red. Now let's see in others feature. Firstly, the mobile phone features 6.6 inch Super AMOLED touchscreen display with screen resolution is 1018 into 2030 Fahrenheit. Beside is upcoming Nokia handset has got coming Gorilla Glass 7 as for display protection. Now moving on the processor system, this Nokia Alpha Pro 2020 smartphone is going to receive powerful latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset as the processor that will run one Android Q as the operating system. Otherwise, the phones come latest Adreno 640 GPU for amazing graphical performance. I can make any high graphical games running so smooth. Moreover, the smartphone carries unremovable Leon 7000 mAh battery box. It can provide a long time battery support in gaming, watching video, internet browsing or video calling. On the other side, the Nokia handset also includes a fast battery charging technology that can charge the battery within very short time. Hold a second, are you not professional photographer? However, don't worry if you are not professional. It is amazing triple 48 megapixel rear camera setup will help to take a professional click all time. In details, 48 megapixel camera plus 16 megapixel camera plus 8 megapixel lens with all latest camera setting. Beside the Nokia Alpha Pro smartphone, bear a single 32 megapixel front camera for taking selfie and amazing video calling. How about the storage capacity? Let us talk about it. Is Nokia mobile phone arrives with 8GB, 10GB of RAM and 128GB, 256GB of onboard storage. Furthermore, I can expand it up to 1TB via microSD card. Finally, let's turn into the security system and connectivity option. As for high and easy security, this Nokia smartphone has considered under display fingerprint sensor, Face ID, 3D lock system. As for connection, it has considered Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPRS, USB 3.0 Type-C and more. Nokia Alpha Pro release date. There is not official announcement about this smartphone pricing. We accept the smartphone price, BT price 5000 taka and Indian price 35,000 rupees.